Hi guys, today's lesson is over complementary probability, and I would like you to write down the definition here, and the definition of complementary probability is this. Two events are said to be complementary when one event occurs and the other one does not. They must add up to 1, okay? So I'd like you to write that down, but if you also notice here, here's a definition in green that may make a little bit more sense, as long as you remember that the events must add up to 1. Everything else that could happen other than the event. And we'll go through an example here with you. Again, everything else that could happen other than the event. I'd like you to go ahead and pause this right now. Make sure you get this down, and then we'll go ahead and go over an example with you over complementary probability. So go ahead and pause right now, get this stuff written down. All right, the example is this. The probability of drawing a queen out of a deck of cards is 4 out of 52. What is the complementary probability? And again, I know I have a deck of cards here, and there are 4 queens in the deck. 4 queens in the deck. What is the complementary probability? Well, I know this. Everything else that could happen other than the event. The event that's happening is 4 out of 52. There are 4 cards that are queens in the deck there of the 52 cards. Everything that could happen other than the 4 out of 52 is 48 out of 52. In other words, there's 48 other cards that I could draw other than the four queens, okay? So my answer here then is 48 out of 52. How did I get that? Well, if I took all the cards in the deck, 52 out of 52 cards, minus what's already happened here, the 4 out of 52 probability of drawing a queen. If I took 52 minus 4, I would get 48, and 48 out of 52 then is my complementary probability. In other words, everything else that could happen, okay, other than the event. Again, what I did right over here in green is I added up everything else that could happen other than the event, in other words 48 out of 52, and added it to the probability of drawing a queen out of the deck, which was 4 out of 52, added those together and got 52 out of 52. And if you notice now, 52 out of 52 is equal to 1. So again, guys, complementary probability, everything else that could happen other than the event. Go through and rewind this if you need to. Write this example down, write the definitions down, and hopefully this will make a little bit more sense to you. Thank you.